there's a secret in this video, guys. You know, whenever I drop a video, there's always a secret in my video. I'll always have something there for you guys, right? So there's something I'll discuss here in this video that no one has ever discussed with you. All right, no one has ever discussed with you. So watch the video to the very end to be able to learn something from this video. All right, so crash 1000, I want to share this strategy on the crash 1000, how to scalp this crash 1000 successfully without spikes catching up with you. All right, so yeah, it's a very simple strategy, but it's amazing. It's amazing. Kills the market. You can see what is happening here. You can see right from when market started moving from here. I started moving from here. You can see we are still running. It's still running without a single spike. Without a single spike. All right, without a single spike. So I'll show you guys the secret in this video. What you should know when trading any strategy at all. What you should do first. What you should know first. All right. So give me a thumbs up. Right, it's very necessary. Like this video is very important. You guys need to just do that. It does not take anything from you at all. Just like the video is very, very important. Okay, and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's hit 11K in no time, guys. 11,000 subscribers. Share this video with friends. If I've ever impacted your life positively, share this video with your friends, with those big channels. Okay, and also drop some good comments. You have any suggestion, let's work together. Also check the description of this video. There's a link where you can join my free Telegram channel, and the academy is open 3rd of February this year, which is just a few days from now. We start our classes. It's just $60 to join the academy. When you join the academy, the lifetime signal is also included. All right, as you're paying the $60, lifetime VIP signal is also included. That means that you'll be benefiting from our signals as you're learning. All right, so yeah, let's make money, guys. Let's have this skill and let's make money. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. Like I said, all right, you just need to wait for market to drop to this point for crash. Market drop to this oversold zone, which is the level 20 and 10. Once you get to that level, let me delete this already. Once you get to this level, you must be sure that this wave here gets to this line first. It must touch this line first. Once it touches this line, you now wait for the blue and red indicator to also touch this, at least the 20 level. Once it touches the 20 level, what you need to do next will wait for the blue indicator to first of all cross the red upward. Once it crosses the red upward, what you need to do is open a buy position right there. You open a buy position right there. Once you open a buy position right there, you take 5 to 10 candlesticks depending on the trend in the market. Your trend, like depending on the market trend. All right, so if you are in an uptrend, good uptrend, you should know this to start buying for a long time. All right, to start buying for a long time. All right, so that's simple. Look at this. We have so many examples here, like this one too. After a long spike like that, back to this line. So this serves like your support. So your entry is somewhere here. Once the blue indicator crosses the red upward, you open a position, take 5 to 10 candlesticks, depending on your trend, you're out. The same thing here. Once it touches this line, this waves here, touches this line, you're waiting for the blue indicator to cross the red indicator, and you open a position, take 5 to 10 candlesticks, and you jump out. So there's something I want to show you also here. Now, for example, like what we have here. When you see this wave, this is the job of this wave, this green waves here, you see, if it's like this and it did not cross this line, what I mean by cross this line, market did not cross this line. See, like this line as it is now. Market did not cross this line downward. It did not cross this line to this point. It did not cross that black line, that middle line, this line here. Understand what I mean? Market did not cross this middle line here. This wave did not cross this middle line down to this sell zone, this buy zone, this level 20. If it did not cross this line down to this point, it's risky for you to start buying. It's risky for you to enter. Like what we have here, you can see there was no cross. It did not cross this line. this trend did not cross this line. It did not cross this line. The wave did not cross this line before it touches this level, but we have the blue indicator touching this oversold level, this level 20. So when you see something like this, it's risky. You don't buy, because that shows that we are in an uptrend already. Like, market has been going up for a very long time, so it might give a very massive spike. So if you're entering now, it's risky. But when we have something like this, that means that we have a strong spike downward, and market will want to go up a bit before spiking again. So with this, you'll be able to leverage that and make more money, right? And like something like this is risky. You don't take this one. You don't take this one. You don't buy this one, because it does not make any sense, because it did not cross to the sell side. Market did not cross to the sell side before you buy. It's just up. Didn't cross to the sell side, so it doesn't make sense. You don't buy that kind of market. So these are the ones you buy. These are the ones you enter. Once it touches this line, there's a separation. You can see there's a separation between this middle line to this point. So once it touches this line, after this separation, you're looking for buying opportunity. You make your money. All right, you make your money, guys. So that's how it is. That's how it is, guys. So I've backtested this strategy over 100 times, and the probability is really high. It has high probability if you follow all the conditions, all the criteria. Trust me on the conditions. Trust me, you're making money. You're gonna make money with this strategy. All right, just don't risk much. Put your somebody said SL does not work. Let me tell you something. I'm not saying SL works automatically, but the thing is, okay, in a situation like this where you have more than one spike, you can see in a situation like this, okay, for example, you open a position here. This was your entry. You entered here, and there's a spike. You entered there, and there's a spike. If you did not set SL, it will keep spiking 1, 2. Sometimes this one here is 1 minute. Sometimes this 1 minute now spikes more than. Sometimes this 1 minute now spikes more than once. This one spike you're seeing now happens like 2 times in just few seconds, within 60 seconds. All right. So, but if I didn't mean you set your SL somewhere here below. I didn't mean your SL was somewhere here below. Somewhere there below. When the spike happens, all right. When the spike happens, when it happens, it will just hit here and close around this place. Yeah, that's why you say it does not work. It will hit your SL, and once it closes around this level. So let's say you did not set your SL at all, and it spikes from this place to this point, and you did not put SL, and the second spike happens and took so much from you. And maybe you did not see why it was doing that. You didn't expect the spike. It spikes again and takes so much, might even blow your account. But if you set your SL, once it spikes, the first spike, after the first spike, it will hit your SL. As its first spike happens, it hits your SL and close where the spike stops. It will close here. So let's say you were risking $5 from here. So if it spikes below this $5 level, it will close with -$7 instead of $5. But let's say you do not set at all, it might spike another $5 to make it, or maybe another $7 to make it $14. That means you're losing $14 instead of $7. Do you understand? Let me show you more example. Okay, like this one here. To that person that says there's no SL does not work, I'm not saying when it spikes it respects SL. It does not respect SL when it spikes, but then if it spikes and there was no SL at all, it might give you 2 or 3 spikes. So look at this, 3 spikes or 4 spikes in a row, 1, 2, and 3, maybe 4 in a row. So let's say you did not set your SL after. So maybe your SL was here. You set your SL somewhere here, and the spike happened. There was a spike, and it closes here. So if you were to lose $5 here to this place is now like $8. But if you did not see at all, it will spike again to this point. So now you can see this one here, this second spike is longer than the first one. So it will take like take so much from you, and the third spike will take so much, it might blow your account. So now what I'm trying to say is that if you put your SL here, once it spikes to this point, that's close. right? And don't forget that this single spike now, this spike you're seeing now, this long candlestick you're seeing now might maybe happened twice. So if it happened twice and it might take so much from you, this very one here might happen twice, might spike 2 times, 1 stop here and 2. So if your SA was somewhere here and it spiked the first one, it will just hit your SA and close before the second spike closes the 1 minute candlestick. Do you understand? And the same thing when you're going, if you're trading in the spike direction and your TP is somewhere here, let's say your TP is somewhere here. If your TP is somewhere here and you were to make $5 from your entry, if it reached your $5 level, it will stop. Where the spike stops is where it will take your money down to. So it might take from $5, it might make you $8 instead of just $5. So it's just how it works. All right. So SL is very necessary when going against the spike. Please, it's very important too. All right. So the secret here is you need to check the trend, market trend. You need to check the market trend. You need to check the market trend. If you can do that, I think if you join my academy, you understand what I'm saying. A lot of people knows this. You need a bit of price action knowledge to be able to excel properly in this business. So this is an uptrend. You can see this is an uptrend we have. It's an uptrend. We have the first high here. Market went up back to this point. This is a retest and started going up. All right, started going up. All right, so now this is the secret here. This is an uptrend. You can see that's one thing, and another one here. We have a trend that got broken. That's the trend that got broken. So once a trend is broken, what happened next is a retest. Market will come for a retest, right? So there was a breakout here. There was a breakout there. There was a breakout. There was a breakout here. Market back to this point. It's going up to this point, maybe to this level here. To be coming to this level in future. It's going to around that level. So you can see that's how to trade without having to wait only on for your indicator to tell what to do. All right, that's simple. So the settings for this video, for this strategies, we have 3 indicators. We have the first one, the RSI. You bring in the RSI. First of all, the RSI, the period is 16, applied to typical price. The levels here, we have 90, we have 10, we have 20, and we have 80. You can screenshot it, okay? Done. Then you go down to style. Style, you must have the same color as your MT4 or MT5 background. If you're using white background, like I'm using white background, I'm choosing white color. And the pixel, you must reduce the pixel very well so that it does not show. And maybe put it here so that it doesn't show at all. You click on done. Then you go back again. You bring in MACD. The MACD you're bringing in, the first MACD is the fast EMA is 10, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 12, applied to median price. Down here where you have style, this main here on the first MACD, the main here is white because I'm using white background. Then the signal, I'm using blue. You can use blue as well. And you click on done. You go back again. You bring in the second MACD. The fast EMA is 16. Slow EMA is 32. MACD SMA is 16. Applied to median price. The style here, this main here will be colored. Okay, you use blue or any color at all. And signal here will be red. I'm using red. All right, and when you're using this, you need to increase the pixel. When you're using the main, you need to increase the pixel so it will be shown, to be obvious on your chart. All right, yeah, you click on done. That's it, guys. That's simple. All right, that's simple, my guys. You can see we are still in a strong uptrend. So if you can add a bit of price action to this your indicator, you're making good money. So just $60 can change your life. A lot of people are dropping their testimonies. If you check my Telegram channel, check the description to join the Telegram channel. You see, check the pin message. We see testimonies. People, their review is crazy. People are making so much money, and people are making great impacts. People are growing very, very well every day. All right, so that's it, guys. That's all. If you have any challenge, you want me to do anything, just drop a message, leave a comment, and I'll do exactly what you want. Okay, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Right, bye bye.